Hey everyone. If you've built your Docsify documentation site and now want to put it online for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to deploy Docsify on GitHub Pages in 2026. First, create a GitHub account. This is where your website files will be stored and hosted for free. Next, create a new repository. This repository will contain all your Docsify project files in one place. Now upload your Docsify project files. Make sure your index HTML, README, and all markdown files are included properly. Go to Settings and enable GitHub Pages. This is what converts your repository into a live website. Select the main branch as your source. This tells GitHub which files should be published online. After that, GitHub will generate a live link. This is your free website URL that anyone can access. Finally, open the link and test your site. Your Docsify documentation should load properly on the internet. So yeah, that's how you deploy Docsify on GitHub Pages. Follow each step carefully, and your site will be live in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.